So Map the System is a global competition run by the Skoll Centre at the University of Oxford, and it's designed to challenge students to use a systems thinking approach to better understand a social or environmental issue of their choosing.
Right now in healthcare, all the different healthcare professionals are actually working quite separately in the community. And we thought that there's a valuable part that we can each contribute to improve patient care together, which is what inspired the formation of Assemble Health, which is literally wanting to assemble everyone together to collaborate to improve patient care.
So Map the Systems kind of gave us a good framework to say like, hey, these are like, our stakeholders, this is kind of what we see on the surface, but look at these things that are underneath it, here's our causes and what we can do about them. So it's just kind of a different way of thinking that doesn't come naturally to me, but by following the program and looking at the outline and reading the resources, we're able to break down the problem to more manageable chunks. And I think that helped us to understand the problem rather than to be overwhelmed by it.
It is not just something that applies for the project that we're working on, but with any other problems or questions that we encounter later on in a career or just in daily life, it just trains us to have a better thinking approach.
What went through our mind when we won and found out that we're going to the global finals? Well, really, the first thing is shock. It's like, wow, we made it here. We always kind of came in with the expectation that, let's just try our best, and really we're doing great work anyways. We're learning more about the problem. And then really the second thing was, okay, now we got to roll our sleeves up and we have to get to work. And we understand that, the Canadian final and the local final, all the way to the global final is a little bit different, and we need to think a little bit differently to be able to compete at that level. And so we learned how to think a little bit more globally outside of just Canada, but also internationally.